So this is all rotted out up here, and I'm going to be replacing all of this. You can see where the power came in for this light here. It just dropped down through this hole. Believe it or not, the light fixture just screwed into the paneling and nothing else, so that's all it was holding it. Not a very secure design, but we'll be replacing all that and making sure it's good to go. I have all this cleaned up now, all the paneling removed. So the ceiling and this wall over here are good to go. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting some paneling for this, see if I can get it fit into place and start finishing this out. So once I get it cut to size, I'll go ahead and stick some insulation in there and get it fastened up. And then I'll get this wall, and that should have this room mostly done here. So that's what we're working on right now. There's been a lot of meticulous measuring and cutting for all of these vents, and I'm about to cut the hole for the air conditioner duct, and we'll see if we can get this stabbed up in there. Everything should be prepped up now. I went ahead and just used some aluminum tape to hold this styrofoam piece. What happens is that provides a spacer and a way to secure the flange for the air conditioning vent once you get the paneling up there. So if everything lines up, cross our fingers, that should work fine. Once I put the insert in there, then I'll tape all around it to get a tight seal coming out of the duct through the vent face. I need to cut one more hole just for this light right here, or this cord that comes down for this overhead light over the lavatory. So what I need to do is just pull a couple of measurements, drill one hole to drop that through, and I think we'll be ready to stick this plywood up here.
So this is the moment of truth. Did our measurements match? All right, it fits.
We got the paneling up on the ceiling and on this back wall. Sorry about the light in here, it's not the best, but we've got it done. So I got to cut a hole down there for our electric hookup to go out, and then do some trim work up in here, get some stuff prepped and moved out of here, and then just kind of get this room cleaned up a little bit so I can move forward with the project. So that's where we're at right now.